After closing time at the country fair, I detect the El Supremo in the room at the top of the stairs. Well, I've been around the world, and I've been in Washington too. And in all my travels, the facts unravel, I found this to be true. While the poor people sleeping with the shade